The car seat should be installed tightly with either the lower anchor attachment system or the vehicle seat belt. Make certain that the seat belt is locked by slowly and gently pulling all the webbing out of the retractor. As it spools back in, the seat belt should be in locking mode. Test for tightness by doing the 1-inch test. Grasp the car seat firmly near the belt path. Push and pull on the car seat. If the car seat moves more than 1 inch, the installation is too loose. Press firmly down on the car seat while removing all slack from the seat belt. Repeat the 1-inch test by pulling or pushing the car seat at the belt path using moderate force. A tight installation should move less than 1 inch in any direction. When the lower anchor attachment system or seat belt installation is loose, it allows the car seat to move more during the crash. The child's head may abruptly contact the front row vehicle seat, causing head or neck injuries. A correctly tight installation will limit the motion of the car seat. It lowers the severity of head contact and reduces the risk of head and neck injuries.